a president for the middle class. Independence USA PAC is responsible for the content of this advertising.
From the Storm Team Weather Lab, KMAC meteorologist Lance Blocker.
And we're enjoying that warming trend here today across the South Plains, lasting into tomorrow and Wednesday. And we've got a lot to get to here. So let's go ahead and jump outside. We'll take a look at the KMAC Tower Cam looking to the west, and we'll show an all clear blue sky. And it's going to remain that way for the majority of the week. But the reason we have a lot to get to is there's some changes ahead in the forecast and some unfortunate history being made down in the Caribbean. I'll get to that in a moment here. Let's take a look at temperatures right now. Right around the 60-degree mark, 62 for us here in town. And we will warm up very nicely today, reaching the low 70s by about 3 or 4 o'clock this afternoon. Excellent time to get outside and enjoy some socially distanced lunches today, right? Pretty good day for that. Now, let's take a look at the GOES 16E water vapor loop, because what we learned in weather class was that it's hard to have weather without water vapor, right? So let's take a look at this. We'll see very big ridge setting up across the western part of the country, along with a trough here to the east behind me. This ridge will actually help suppress any type of cloud activity or rainfall moving into our region. So this area of high pressure here going to move to the east in the coming days. It will also warm us up by Wednesday, about highs approaching the 80-degree mark across the South Plains. Then as we look further to the west, once this ridge sets off to our east, we'll start to see this trough now dig through the western part of the country in the Pacific Northwest, and then that will progress towards us, possibly bringing some rain chances by Monday or Tuesday of next week. We're going to keep an eye on that. The models are somewhat inconsistent with developing this trough, but what we do know is we've got an above average chance of rainfall over that period of time, days 6 through 10. The timing is still slightly different. Sometime Monday, Tuesday, perhaps Wednesday, a chance of rain or two. Now, here's the big history going on in the Western Caribbean right now, and it is unfortunate history because this system here is Hurricane Eta. Now, we are in the Greek alphabet for hurricane names now, and it is a Category 2 storm strengthening rapidly, expected to become a Category 4 storm before making landfall. And for those folks down there, not what they want, and nobody wants any more of these. Take a look at these hurricane tracks all across the Atlantic seaboard and into the Gulf of Mexico as well. We've had a record-setting number of storms this season. We've seen 28 named storms. That now ties for first place, unfortunately, 2005, with 11 landfalls across the U.S., 8 taking place in the Gulf Coast states region, right? So we've only got about a month or so left of the hurricane season, and we're excited to finally put this one behind us because there's been a lot of damage. We don't need any more of these storms out there. But closer to home, great weather for us here. Election Day forecast highs in the mid-70s. Few extra clouds in there. Wednesday will warm about 81 degrees. That ridge of high pressure I was talking about, it's going to begin to fade back a little bit on us come Thursday and Friday, cooling our temperatures back down to the mid-70s. And then as you take a look towards Saturday and Sunday, see that high on Sunday at 67 degrees? Well, that's with some additional cloud cover as well. And that's when, Kathleen, we expect to see some moisture returning to the area, possibly bringing us that rain chance on Monday or Tuesday. I say possibly. Stay with us. We'll keep you up to date as those models come in, and hopefully some type of rain for us, right?
Fingers crossed we get that. I know a lot of us are really hoping to see that rainfall sometime soon here in our forecast. That drought monitor is not where we need it to be at all. No, it's just a rough topic. We don't want to talk about that.
No.
Well, we'll be right back with some entertainment.